Good morning, students. Now we were going for the forward block and the INA. Here, the contribution of the Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 at Cuttack in Odisha. Subhash Chandra Bose is also done their Indian Civil Services examination, which held in England. When he passed the ICS examination, but he did not want to work under the British Crown. He said that I do not think that one could be loyal to the British Raj yet serve India honestly, heart and soul. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose believed in the agitation and resorted revolutionary method for attaining the Swaraj. Bose and the Congress. Now, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was in the favor of the non-cooperation movement, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose also criticized Mahatma Gandhi when he withdrew the non-cooperation movement. Now, in 1938, Subhash Chandra Bose was unanimously elected as a president of the Congress. He was the two-time president of INC. Now, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose also founded the All Indian National Planning Committee inaugurated by Bose in Mumbai in December 1938. Now, there is the rift with the Gandhiji and Neta Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, Subhash Chandra Bose was favor in the policy of large scale industry, but Mahatma Gandhi favor in the small scale industry to make the village sufficient. Now, Bose favor using the tact while dealing with his opponents. Now, Gandhi spoke putting forward his demands. The Tripura session of Congress in 1939 saw the widening of the gulf between the two wings. The Congress left being left by the Bose wanted Congress to help people of the princely state in their struggle for freedom, whereas Gandhi criticized his demand. Britain started facing difficulties in Europe because of German threat. Gandhi wanted to adopt compromising attitude toward the British, and he was honest. Now oppose any national struggle, but Subhash Chandra Bose wanted to take advantage in the difficulties faced by the British government. Rift in the Congress. Basically, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and the Mahatma Gandhi, they have their own view and they are against to each other in the opportunity. Mahatma Gandhi believe in the non-violence, but Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji believe in the socialism and against the agitation against British government. Now, Subhash Chandra Bose won by the majority of votes and he became the president two times in INC. Now, Gandhi declared that defeat of Bose rival was his Gandhian own defeat. As consequence, 13 members of the Congress Working Committee resigned. Now, here Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Then the request was made to the president nominate of working committee according to the wishes Gandhi. Majority of the delegates who had supported Bose reconfirmed their confidence in the leadership of Gandhiji. So this created a deadlock between Bose and Gandhiji. The Gandhi wings began to oppose the president, make it impossible for him the function. Bose resigned from presidency Congress 29th April 1939. Forward block. Now, Bose felt the urgent need for an organized left-wing party in the Congress. After resigning from the presidency of the Congress in 1939, he led the foundation of new party with the Congress to bring entire left wing under the one banner. This party is known as Forward Bloc and was formed on May 3, 1939. Objective of the Forward Bloc. Now, recognition of agriculture and industry on socialist line, abolition of zamindari system, and introduction of new monetary and credit system. Netaji arrested and escaped. In July 1940, Bose was arrested under the Defense of Indian rules. He went on hunger strike. Thereafter was kept under the house arrest in Kolkata. But in January 1941, including police vigilance, he escaped from his house. Events in Southeast Asia. Now, Netaji, he also founded Free Indian Center in Rome and Paris. Outbreak of the war in the Southeast Asia 1941 caused a great stir among the Indians in those regions. India, living territories captured by Japan, organized themselves into association with the objective of contributing the liberation of India. Now, interest the overseas. It means out of this association, Indian Independence League was formed by Subhash Chandra Bose. Indian National Army. Now INA. The founder of the INA is Mohan Singh. He was the Indian officer and working in the British Indian Army. The Japanese had till then only encouraged civilian Indians to join anti-British organization, but he had no concept of forming military wing consisting of the Indians. Indian prisoners of war POWs were handed over by Japanese to Mohan Singh, who inducted them into the INA, and the fall of Singapore here crucial for this brought 45,000 Indians POWs into Mohan Singh's now spare. When the end of 1940 forward, thousands of men expressed their willingness to join INA. It was made a clear meeting leaders, Indians community of Indians Army officer that INA would go action only invitation of Indian National Congress of the People of India. The Tokyo Conference. It was mainly due to the Ras Bihari Bose, his effort that in the 28 to 30 March 1940, Indian officers, both military and civil, proceed meet in the Tokyo. The Japanese High Command. So now here the following decisions were taken to expand and strengthen the Indian Independence League, to form under overall command of the League of the Indian National Army, Army of Indian Liberation, to hold conference at Bangkok, consolidate this decision. Now Bangkok Conference. Basically, Bangkok Conference was held June to 23rd June 1942. More than 150 to 50 delegates from Malaysia, Singapore, Burma, Thailand, Hong Kong, Manila, Java were present there, and there some resolutions. Invitation of Subhash Chandra Bose to come from Europe to lead this movement. It means INA. Now formation of Council of Action to control and guide whole movement. Election of Ras Bihari Bose as President of the Council, and appointment of Mohan Singh as the Commander-Chief of Indian National Army. Here contribution of the Subhash Chandra Bose. Basically, Subhash Chandra Bose was instrumental in the formation of Forward Bloc. After evading the British Indian authorities, Bose led the freedom struggle and outside